This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Louis Eisenberg. Come see this lovely waterfront 2-bedroom 2-full bath condo corner unit on the Lafayette River. View gorgeous sunrises and sunsets from this corner unit. Condo fees include gas, electric, HVAC, water, basic cable, trash removal, ground maintenance, master insurance policy, 7-day reception desk coverage, 1 assigned reserved off-street parking space, elevator, saltwater pool, library, community/meeting room with water views and full kitchen, outdoor gas grills, assigned storage, full-time maintenance supervisor and front desk coverage. Boat slips available for yearly resident rental. 3 guest rooms for nightly rental. For more information, review the details below.